On day 3 of our vacation in London, we boarded a bus and headed to the Greenwich Pier, where we boarded the Viking Sun cruise ship. One thing nice about Viking Ocean cruises is that they spend an overnight in both the port of departure and the disembarkation port. The Greenwich Pier is located next to the Cutty Sark, a clipper ship that dominated the tea trade before the opening of the Suez Canal. The Naval Museum, located on the old Navy hospital grounds, is a short walk from there. And the park behind the Maritime Museum is the prime meridian and the location of Greenwich Mean Time. The next morning, we took a walking tour of this area before sail away at 5 p.m.
The tour is due to take about an hour and a half, and we will finish at this point here. If at any point you would like to leave the tour, that's absolutely fine. If you want to go off and explore something else, please do let me know though, so we're not counting numbers. I'm waiting for you as well to come back to this point. Especially towards the end, you might want to get off and explore the village as we start returning. Also, as the crow flies. Now, Cutty Sark, the last surviving ship of her kind. She is a tea clipper, and as the name would suggest, tea clipper is built to bring tea from China to London. She is launched in 1861, and when she does her maiden voyage, she does that maiden voyage to China 11 days quicker than her nearest rival. When she was launched, she was the fastest ship on the planet. again, the level of depot